Good Saturday morning, y'all. Quick update on the LG. About 40 and 10. Not too bad. So, doing these 110 volt compressors on here, you have to look for the 3-wire condenser fan motor. If the condenser motor has 4 wires, it has a pulse wave modulated motor and is triggered by the pulse wave. And so there's 12 volts there all the time. It looks like this. This is the board off of that one. If you look real close, it says C fan PWM, and that's a 4-wire. That board come off of this one. And I don't know what the date is on this one. What's the date? 2021. The one in there is a 2012. And this one's R600. But yeah, if it has PWM on there, I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know what kind of relay to use when you get down into the, 4 and 5 volts. So sadly, this one is going to be scrapped. But if you figure out how to do one with the pulse wave, let me know. But so far so good on our 110 volt LG compressor swap. Y'all have a great day. Well, hey, while I got you here, let's go ahead and fix a direct drive Whirlpool that won't drain or spin. Got my jumper. Take the screw out here and here. Roll the top back. And let's jump it. Jump it between gray and white. Boom. 1 5/16. Boop. Make sure the lid's up. All right, so we are back in business. This one's gonna be easy. Hammer time. She gone. Sled Joe-matic. Sled Joe-matic. Best washers ever. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great weekend. Hit that like and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment.